How to merge tickets in Gorgias-2025. Follow these instructions. Log into your Gorgias account and go to the main dashboard, where all your customer support tickets are listed. Click to open the ticket you want to keep as the primary ticket for the merge process. On the right panel, scroll to the Customer section, and click View All Tickets to see all tickets from the same user. Select the duplicate or related tickets from the list that you want to merge with the current open ticket. Click the Merge button in the top right corner of the ticket list to begin the merge process. Confirm the merge action when prompted. Gorgias will keep messages in the primary ticket and archive the rest. The merged ticket now shows all past conversations in one view, keeping your inbox tidy and organized. Thank you for watching.